The crypto world is increasingly evolving, and everyone involved is ambitious about what the future holds. Today we will explain a relatively new concept that has been adopted by many projects, so buckle up as we introduce Rebase tokens to you. Welcome to Crypto's Genie Crash Course, where you can learn about crypto in 5 minutes. In this video, we will explain the rebasing mechanism and how Rebase tokens work. We will also be talking about the top 5 rebasing crypto projects. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A Rebase token, also called an elastic token, is a cryptocurrency that can keep its price steady, just like a stablecoin does, but with one major difference. A stablecoin is pegged to a particular value. In most cases, it is the US dollar. However, a Rebase token adjusts its own circulating supply algorithmically to control its price, and so the token supply can either expand or contract to keep the price stable. This mechanism is known as rebasing. In other words, instead of having a volatile price due to the supply and demand of the market, a Rebase token supply is in itself elastic, as it is the one that adjusts according to the supply and the demand. This leaves the value of a user's tokens unaffected by the market's ups and downs, and a Rebase token's price remains relatively steady while the circulating supply of the token is the one that becomes highly volatile. But the question that remains is, how does it actually do that? We already know that all cryptocurrencies have certain algorithms that govern their supply. However, usually those algorithms do not set a target price for the token itself, and leave the supply and demand to determine that. Let's take an example. Bitcoin's protocol uses the proof of work or POW system, which dictates that new Bitcoins are created when a miner validates successfully a transaction on the blockchain. This usually gives the miners incentives to put in effort and resources to mine new coins. There is nothing about the actual price of a Bitcoin in that protocol at all. On the other hand, the rebasing mechanism works in a completely different way. When the price changes of a Rebase token, its whole supply either increases or decreases as a result. This Rebase protocol happens on a regular basis. Let us illustrate how that happens. If a Rebase token has a dollar target price and it is set to rebase every day, the token's price increases about the set target of $1, and extra tokens will be released, which would increase its supply. This expansion of the token's supply catalyzes the market, driving down the price of the token towards its target price. Similarly, if the price of the token goes below $1, then during rebase, the supply of the tokens will decrease, which would drive back up the price to stay steady at $1, its target price. What does this mean for a Rebase token holder? If you have a certain number of tokens in your wallet, the value remains similar, yet the number of those tokens either increases or decreases. So let us say that you are holding 2 tokens of a certain Rebase token with a target price set at $1. If the price of the token rises in value to become $2, then during rebase, the supply of the tokens will expand, and you will find that you are only left with 1 token in your wallet instead of 2. The value at the time is worth as much as the 2 tokens you had in the beginning. At the time of making this video, the market cap of Rebase tokens is around $500 million. Let's have a quick overview of 5 rebasing crypto projects you should know about. 1. Ampleforth is the origin of the rebasing mechanism, and it is why the concept became popular. It is an ERC20 token with a target price peg of $1, and the Ample token rebases every 24 hours. 2. Olympus is another Rebase token created by an anonymous developer with the pseudonym Zeus. The protocol of Olympus DAO uses rebasing every 8 hours to adjust its OHM supply. 3. Dig is yet another Rebase token that is pegged to the price of Bitcoin, and its protocols keep track of its price. A rebase occurs every 24 hours, and its target price is set between 1.05 and 0.95 BTC. If the price of the token falls within this range, a rebase will not happen and the supply will remain as it is. 4. Anti-Ample is a different kind of Rebase token as it constantly reduces its supply. Its mechanism is created as a modification of Ampleforth's mechanism, which makes it a negative Rebase token, having a constantly decreasing token supply in circulation. 5. Base protocol is tied to the market cap of all other cryptocurrencies, and its target price is set at $1 if the crypto market cap is at $1 trillion. As with all other crypto investments, Rebase tokens do not come without risk. But now that you know more about them, are you considering adding a Rebase token to your portfolio? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you soon!